Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So today we're going to be taking a look at the new coupons that are happening Monday, February 24th through Sunday, March 9th. So you still got some time to take advantage of these sales. This is pretty much Harbor Freight's like weekly or bi-weekly sales. Usually bi-weekly. It's about two weeks to a month usually with these coupons. So anyway, guys, again, save with these new coupons Monday, February 24th through Sunday, March 9th while supplies last. So we're going to get into it. But before we do, like always, we're only going to hit on the things that we've either had some good or bad experiences with, or that we've maybe heard some good or bad stuff about. Feel free to agree or disagree with me in the comment section below. And if I skip over something you guys were wanting some advice on, or you're wanting my thoughts, I do apologize. But if somebody else out there has some good or bad stuff to say about something, make sure to put it in the comment section below, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So right off the bat, we got air tools and compressors. And sorry, guys, but we don't really have a lot to do with air tools or air compressors. So we're going to be skipping a lot here. I do want to say I've heard a lot of good stuff about the McGraw air compressors. So I've heard a lot of good stuff about that. Also, the Earthquake. It's kind of a 50-50. I've heard some really good stuff about it, and I've heard some really bad stuff about it. So that's pretty much all we could speak on there. Moving on. Automotive. First up, we've talked about these before. We got the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands, guys. Original price is $79.99. They're on sale right now for $59.99. You got 6 available colors. Not a bad deal there, guys. We've talked about these many times before. Highly recommend the Daytona jack stands. They got a locking feature on them. Really great jack stands. You will not be disappointed. And for that $60 price tag, not a bad deal, guys. Definitely good quality there for 2 ratcheting jack stands. Not a bad deal, guys. Moving on, we got these 6,500 pound capacity portable ramp set. It's a 2-piece on sale right now for $49.99. These can be really good, and they could also be really bad. I don't have the Pittsburgh brand version. I think they're the Rhino version. I think we picked up at one of our local retailers. They're really great, but if you have a sedan or a car or a low car, these are a nightmare. These only really work for SUVs and trucks, because what's going to happen is when you go to drive the car up the ramp, if your car is too low, the bumper is just going to hit the bottom, and then you're either going to mess up your bumper, or the ramp is just going to skid across the surface. So, but if you got a truck or SUV, fantastic ramps. Moving on, we got the 3-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump from Pittsburgh. Original price is $249.99. It's on sale right now for $199.99. We've heard some good stuff about Pittsburgh. We got confirmation. We actually had somebody comment that the jack stands are a thumbs up. So not a bad deal there for your 3-ton aluminum racing floor jack. Next up, we got the Icon Professional Master Ball Joint and Universal Joint Press Set. It's going to be a 20-piece. Original price is a whopping $229.99. However, it's on sale right now for $179.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. That $229 is a little pricey, but that $179 is not a bad deal. It's a lifetime warranty. And here's what you get. Looks like really good quality from Icon. I've said in the past, and I'll say it again, and I'll keep saying it. Very impressed with the Icon lineup. They've been coming out with some really, really great stuff lately. So, got the nice Icon logo on the front there. So not a bad deal there, guys. Again, like I said, lifetime warranty. You can't beat that. I know on a lot of the Maddox specialty tools that Harbor Freight offers getting tongue-tied, they're only a 90-day warranty. But here we have a lifetime warranty. So not a bad deal there, guys. You're paying for that lifetime warranty. If you end up getting it for the $229.99, it might not be a bad idea because you also get that lifetime warranty. So, but if you can get it for cheaper, $180 is a lot better than $229, right? Moving on. Next up, another item we've talked about a lot before is this Zurich. This is the ZR15S OBD2 code reader with a 3.5-inch display and active test / fix assist. Original price is $299.99. It's on sale for $269.99. This is also another great item. We have, in a lot of my videos, I have the Zurich ZR13, which is very similar to this. It has the OBD2, it's an OBD2 code reader plus active test and fix assist. Really great tool. I use it really often. I use it a lot. And I've dropped this thing and I've thrown it around and I've beat it and it just keeps on ticking. So not a bad deal there, guys. However, I have said in the past, you might want to check some other retailers because for everything this can do, you might can find something with a little bit better price tag. But again, Zurich code reader, really phenomenal tool. Never had an issue with it. The one I have is lifetime updates, and I believe all of them are. Anyway, here's a little bit of information on it. You guys could sit there and read it, pause it and read it. But we are going to be moving on. Here's something I wouldn't mind getting. I've been looking into. Here's some of these Daytona 3-ton jack stands with circular pads. Original price is $79.99. They're on sale right now for $59.99. So not a bad deal there. Anybody got any good or bad things to say about these? They look really nice. Really interested in to see how well they hold up compared to the other Daytona jack stands. Also because some cars have different jacking points and jack stand points. So, some are round, some are flat. So when you get some jack stands, for instance, like these, you get these jack stands. This is not going to set ideally on a round surface, but the round jack stands will. So it's kind of nice to have some diversity. So we actually might take advantage of that and pick those up and see how well they work. Moving on, we've talked about these before as well. The Syntec portable car battery jump starter and a power pack. Original price is $69.99. They're on sale for $54.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. But my personal opinion is I like to get the ones with the air compressor on them. I find myself using the air compressor more than the actual jump starter itself. But still, not a bad deal. Great to have in your vehicle for emergency purposes. So moving on. Not much else for us here. Generators and plumbing. I apologize, guys, but not much for us here to speak on. So I'm going to keep moving on. Now we're into some hand tools, guys. So first up, we got the 3/8-inch drive high visibility deep socket set 10-piece from Pittsburgh. It's got that lifetime warranty. Original price is $12.99. It's on sale for $9.99. Not a bad deal. Price is actually a really good deal for a 10-piece socket set. Got the lifetime warranty. I haven't really had any Pittsburgh sockets, so I can't really speak on how well it's going to hold up over time. However, for the price point and that lifetime warranty, you just can't beat it. Moving on, we've talked about these before. Don't have a lot of first-hand knowledge on these Pittsburgh tool sets, but this is a tool set with a case, 146 piece, on sale for $49.99. So again, not a bad deal for the price point. You get the lifetime warranty. You can keep this compact in your vehicle in case you need it for emergency situations. You have something to pull out. Moving on, we got this Icon half-inch drive professional swivel head ratchet with comfort grip. Original price is $44.99. They're on sale right now for $34.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. I've said it before. Icon, I really enjoy their lineup. I've got a couple of their ratchets, and they're phenomenal. Never had an issue with them so far. So, good deal there. Moving on. Here we have a Pittsburgh 1/4-inch drive composite quick release ratchet on sale for $5.99. Original price is $9.99. It's got a lifetime warranty. These things are a little gimmicky. I know I picked one up when they first came out. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cheap. But the ratchet mechanism actually failed fairly quickly. I only used it once or twice, and the ratchet mechanism failed. I think I warrantied it out. I think I warrantied it out and just never reused the new one. But in my opinion, I would just avoid it. Moving on. Here's another good item. We got this Pittsburgh half-inch drive torque limiting extension bar set. It's a 10-piece. They're also color-coded. We actually have this exact set. We've used it quite a bit, I believe, on the channel. We actually did a video on this specific product and how well they actually get to the torque that they're rated at. So original price is $54.99. They're on sale right now for $49.99. Not a bad deal on those guys. I highly recommend it. If you're doing a lot of lug nuts, these come in handy. You could just pop one on. It gets you pretty close to the torque specifications. So not a bad deal there, guys. Here's another good item from Pittsburgh. We got the 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer. Lifetime warranty on this as well. Original price is $8.99. It's on sale right now for $5.99. I actually had one of these and used it extensively. Never had an issue with it. Can't go wrong with it, guys. So that's a good deal there. Next, we got the Icon lifetime warranty as well. 6-inch flush cut pliers. Original price is $29.99. They're on sale right now for $19.99. Not a bad deal there, guys, as well, for some flush cut pliers from Icon with that lifetime warranty. Moving on to lighting and specialty. Oops. Not much for us there, guys. Material handling and safety. Again, not much there, guys. I apologize. But we're moving on into the outdoor equipment section. Again, not much for us there. Getting into the power tools. So here we have this Bauer 4-volt cordless 1/4-inch screwdriver with integrated flashlight kit with the 4 insert bits and a wall charger. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale right now for $15.99. This is actually a pretty cool little screwdriver. We actually have this specific one. For all that you get for $15.99, not a bad deal there, guys. Highly recommend it. does the job, and you can actually click a button on top and take it from like a pistol grip into a straight on 180 degree grip. So that's pretty cool. The only downside is the battery goes out pretty quickly in this, but other than that, it's not a bad deal. Moving on, got some Warrior tools, another Bauer tool, Hercules. I heard a lot of good stuff about Hercules, and more Warrior. So moving on, guys, into the shop and garage. We've talked about this before as well. This 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane. Original price is $269.99. It's on sale right now for $239.99. We have pretty much this exact same one. Really comes in handy. Definitely worth its weight in gold. Folds up really nicely so that it's compact. Doesn't take up a lot of room in the garage. Been really happy with it so far. We've only used it twice, but it's came in clutch both times, so highly recommend that. Moving on. Storage, another item we've talked about quite a bit as well. This Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case. It's a large. You got 3 different colors available. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale right now for $29.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. Very versatile on what you can do with this. You could put your camera equipment in it. You could put a scan tool in it. You could put a firearm in it. You name it. You want it protected. This thing is going to definitely do the job. So moving on. Welding and machinery. And not anything there for us, guys. And that is it, guys. So that concludes your save with these new coupons. Again, this sale is from February 24th through Sunday, March 9th. So you still have some time to take advantage of these sales. We might take advantage of those these Daytona jack stands, but I'm not sure yet. So anyway, if you guys have already purchased something or taken advantage of this sale and you want to share it, put it in the comment section below. If you guys end up getting anything and you want to share, put it in the comment section below. If I miss something or you agree or disagree with me on something, make sure to also put that in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, there you have it. If we get anything, we'll definitely do a video for you guys. So there you have it, guys. There is your Harbor Freight savings. If you guys like this video, make sure to go down there, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, because I would greatly appreciate it. But anyway, guys, as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.